When technology breaks down, your business can't afford to wait. That's why IT Pros Management delivers IT support built around your needs, keeping you secure, compliant, and always moving forward. With fast expert IT support, downtime becomes a thing of the past. In fact, 87.7% of issues are resolved on the first call, with an average resolution time of just 30 minutes. What makes us different? 24/7 local IT support from dedicated technicians who know your environment. That means faster, personalized resolutions, and accountability you can count on. Every interaction is backed by SLA-driven performance. With clear response and resolution targets, you'll always know exactly what to expect. And with our AI-enhanced support, tickets are routed smarter. Issues are detected earlier and repeat problems are reduced, keeping your systems reliable and your team productive. With 575 plus end users supported, 98.6% client retention, and over 15 years in the industry, businesses trust IT Pros Management to deliver IT support that works as hard as they do. Look what our clients are saying about our IT support services. Faster resolutions, reliable expertise, and peace of mind that keeps their business running strong. Ready for IT support that's fast, reliable, and built around your business? Contact IT Pros Management today and experience IT support that puts you ahead.